Hello everyone, welcome to Next Gen AI Academy. I hope you're doing good. I'm very happy to launch next online batch for Selenium automation with upgraded roadmap. Are you looking to change career from manual testing, BPO, KPO to automation testing? Then this is the right time to start learn from Next Gen AI Academy. The vision of our company is to teach and support till you get placed. Okay, let's look into 7 important features about this course. First one, around 436 topics will be taught from 9 modules. Then, 200 plus interview questions will be discussed every week like an interview in a separate video call. Then 50 assignments will be given once every class is completed, and the code review will be done based on the industrial standards. Then the fourth one, during the class itself, we will be conducting the online quiz so that you can self evaluate how much you understood on those concepts. Then fifth important point, 3 real-time automation project will be taught which covers around 100 plus automation test case. Then the sixth one, the resume will be prepared based on your domain knowledge and the experience. And finally, 3 mock interviews will be conducted, 2 by myself and 1 by automation architect working from the big companies. After doing these much of hard work, do you think you won't get offer letter? Definitely, you can able to get a job in India without the help of consultancy. But still, you don't have an idea to change the company. For you also, we have a separate roadmap. I'll be explaining one by one. At the end, you can decide which plan will suit you. Let's begin the roadmap. First, we will start with the Java. The second I mentioned Java, most of them assume Java is the most tough to learn and I don't have any programming background and so on. But understand one thing, the programming knowledge needed for automation resource and the Java developers are totally different. So you no need to worry. We will learn each topic with easy example and also we will be ready to start the automation from day 3 onwards. How? First 2 days we will learn about basics Java. Once we are done with that, we will move on to the automation. Around 80% of Selenium we can complete with the help of those Java basics concept. Once we complete that 80% of Selenium, then we will move back to the advanced Java topics such as OOPS concept, Java collections, which are needed for framework design and also for interview purpose. Once we are done with the advanced Java, then we will come back to the advanced Selenium and rest of the topics will be completed. And this is the trick I used to follow for all the corporate companies so that we can able to deploy the automation resource into the project as early as possible. The first package of this online Selenium training is basic Selenium automation. The cost is around 3000 Indian rupees or $40. Then duration will be 12 days. It will be during the weekends only. In addition to that, we will have the support call on every Wednesday, and this call is to clarify all your queries. Who can opt this course? For example, if you are already working in the manual testing and you have the option to change from manual testing to automation testing within the same project or organization, if you get a project release, then for them this is the best package. In simple, you don't have an idea to change the company. Then the remaining 2 packages, the syllabus remains the same. Only the difference is the way we prepare for interview. Once we complete the Selenium, then we will learn the TestNG framework. It is an open source testing framework and topics like annotations, parallel execution, cross-browser testing, and so on. All the topics we will learn it here. Then we will learn the advanced automation topics such as data-driven framework, then design patterns such as page object model, page factory, and very importantly, how to design the hybrid framework. For example, if you cross-check in any organization in this world, all the automation project will follow this particular flow only. You can see that in the slide. Almost 95% of the automation architect will follow this idea. We will learn those tricks also in this module. Then Maven build tool. The present trend is to create any Java based automation project using Maven. It has so many advantages. You will understand during the training. Then whatever we have coded in our local system, we will upload that to the cloud, that is to the GitHub. And this tool is having so many advantages. With this tool, multiple developers can also work together. All these concepts we will learn it. Then very important module, Jenkins. It's a continuous integration tool. Using this, we will create the freestyle project, Maven project to execute automation test cases. It has so many features like auto trigger and mail trigger. All these concepts we will learn it here. After that, we will learn the DevOps concept. If you check all the job openings, DevOps becomes a mandatory skill set expected by all the companies. So in this training, we will learn how to do continuous deployment, integration, and continuous testing using practical case study. The bitter truth is, still most of the automation projects in big companies not implemented the DevOps concept. You can cross verify with your friends who are working in the automation project. Finally, the most important module, automation project secrets. You can't find this particular module in any of the online training or even Udemy courses. Every academy will teach you only the technical skill, but our academy, in addition to the technical skill, we will teach you the management skills also. For example, you can see the list of topics in the slides. Let's see one by one. First, we will learn what are all the types of escalations in the automation project. Then, how to resolve those escalations. Then, very important thing is how to get the rating. Especially in the automation team, everyone will be a good tech guys. How to compete with them. Then, if you become a module lead or a lead, how to give ratings to your team members, which is the most toughest task. Then, for example, you are enter into a project, how to start from the scratch, then how to do the feasibility analysis. Then at one point of time, you will become the manager. So we must know how to do the automation estimation. Then to calculate the return of investment, that is whether this project will get profit or not, if we get a profit from which cycle. And like this, we will be learning all the tech leads and techno manager tricks in this particular module. Around 436 topics we will be learning in all the 9 modules. Then cost of this particular package is 5000 Indian rupees or 69 US dollar. Then the duration of the course will be 23 days. Of course, it will be on weekends. Then in addition to that, all the Wednesday we will have the support call. Then at end of the training, we will share you the important interview questions in the document format. Now, what about the third package, that is support till you get placed? How this will be done? Features like 50 assignments, 15 online quiz, and a Wednesday support call are common for every package. But in this particular package, every week we will be discussing on 200 plus interview questions like face to face. That's the first feature. Then we will be doing 3 real-time automation project. I will be sharing you 100 plus automation test case to you. What is the use of that? This will give you insight about how the real-time automation project will work. To be frank, most of the automation project either it will be of execution type or maintenance type. Very rarely we will get the opportunity to work from the scratch. So while working in 100 plus test case of automation suite, it will give a very good idea how the automation project will work. It is similar to working in real time project. Then based on your previous experience, domain knowledge and how you perform during the training, we will prepare you the resume for the interview. Also, we will conduct 3 mock interviews. 2 will be conducted by myself and 1 will be conducted by automation manager or an architect from big companies. The best part of that is they are the actual recruiter in those companies. If you can able to impress them, then it's very easy to go and crack any automation interview. The cost of this particular package is 7,000 Indian rupees or 96 US dollars. The course duration will be 38 days. All the 3 packages are compared and mentioned in this particular website. You can check and decide. Then we will have 3 hours class, 2.5 hours for learning, last 30 minutes for query discussion. During the 2.5 hours, we will have the break and also online quiz to self-evaluate you. Then we will use Zoom meeting, Canvas portal, then also the video recordings will be shared. At the end, course completion certificate will be given. Hope you got a good clarity about the course plan. Hopefully, see you soon. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.